how to stop Siri from listening on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Siri from listening your iPhone. So let's get started. Open up your settings and then head over to Siri and then go to talk to Siri and then turn it off. You just have to tap on it to turn it off. And another option is if press side button for Siri is toggled on, then tap on it to toggle it off as well. So tap on turn off Siri. This completely disables Siri on your iPhone. And now Siri will stop listening to you. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and then drop down a comment if you want other tutorials. Thank you for watching.